Well, thank you for having us here today. My name is Ali Raza, and I am the CEO of Throughput. And at Throughput, we have automated data science to help supply chains run leaner. So the global problem that we're solving that affects 60 million supply chain professionals today is we're stuck on Microsoft Excel. You see, in supply chain, which is now a $40 trillion industry, every day, supply chain professionals spend up to 70% of their time staring at pie charts and line graphs all day, trying to figure out where can they cut costs, where can they improve, where can they create more throughput. But the real question is why? Well, it turns out that human beings struggle with definition. Einstein once said that if he had an hour to save the world, he'd spend 55 minutes defining the problem and only 5 minutes on the solution. And that's because up till today, current problem discovery analytics have been static. Tools like Excel are tedious to work with. Business intelligence tools and dashboards are inconsistent in finding our bottlenecks. But the even bigger problem is that recommendations are non-existent. So at Throughput, we asked a very simple question. Why can't something for Excel or like Excel do for our supply chain problems that Google does when we need answers? And that's what we built. Throughput finds bottlenecks. We have automated your analysis, and we can consistently find your bottlenecks using AI. But even more, we can tell you parts of your supply chain, whether it needs to digitize, improve, or even automate now. And the way we do it is we have automated the data scientist. We can take your supply chain data, run it through this platform we call Eli that uses Kaizen, Lean Six Sigma, and other methodologies, and get you to an action plan for greater profitability, 50 times faster than a data scientist or a management consultant for a fraction of the cost. And by doing so, we think we've created a new market category that we call data consultant automation. Data consultant automation is where ERP, consulting, and IoT meet. And all of those industries need more throughput. Our business model is AI as a service. We do direct sales, but we rely on our channel partners on commissions to scale up. And what we can't handle, we push to our digitization partners and IoT partners, like crowds. After doing extensive customer discovery with as many supply chains as we could get in touch with, we found traction in the automotive and logistics space. We've completed 10 pilots, have 4 paying customers, show that this tool has incredible value in ROI and speed. But even more, we've actually shown one customer that they could potentially save $20 million alone this year. And by the way, we can work with a variety of databases. Now, this is made possible by a team of supply chain evangelists that after graduating from the University of Pennsylvania, spend years saving millions of dollars for global industry leaders across verticals, and now are doing the same for their early customers. So today, we have a very simple ask. We're trying to close out our $650K seed round with $400K already committed to convert some of these pilots to customers, iterate the product a little bit more, and scale up on enterprise and create some strong interest by 2020. What I want to leave you with today is I want to ask you, what have you sacrificed for data analysis in your life? If there's one thing that you've given up for data analysis, then maybe it's time that you think about Throughput. Thank you.